In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to market on LinkedIn. We'll walk through the steps to leverage LinkedIn for your marketing efforts, making sure you're building your brand and engaging your network effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. If you haven't already done so, visit the LinkedIn homepage. It's the hub for all your LinkedIn activities and the starting point for most of your interactions. Once you're here, look for the Sign In option, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to log into your account. This step is crucial as it allows you access to all the LinkedIn features we will utilize for marketing. After signing in, you'll be directed to the LinkedIn homepage. This is your personalized newsfeed where you can see updates, articles, and posts from people and companies you're connected with or following. Take a moment to scroll through this feed to get a sense of the ongoing conversations and emerging trends. It's also a good source of content ideas and industry insights. Next, to enhance your marketing efforts, navigate to your profile. By clicking on your profile icon, you access your professional dashboard. It's like your digital business card, so make sure it's up to date with a professional photo, a compelling headline, and a summary that communicates your value proposition clearly. This is the foundation of your personal brand on LinkedIn. Once your profile is polished, switch your attention back to the LinkedIn feed. The feed acts as a platform to engage with your audience. You can do this by sharing insightful content, whether it's articles, posts, or updates about your professional achievements. You want to establish yourself as a thought leader in your field, so make sure what you share adds value to your network. A key engagement strategy on LinkedIn involves interacting with others' posts. Like, comment on, and share posts you find valuable. This not only shows support for your connection's content, but also increases your visibility when your name appears in their comments section. Don't just stop at generic comments. Add insights or perspectives that can spark conversations. It's an effective way to build relationships and attract attention to your own profile. And that's it. By ensuring regular activity and maintaining a professional presence, you'll be well on your way to successfully marketing yourself and your brand on LinkedIn. Remember, consistency is key. Keep engaging, stay current with content trends, and always strive to provide value to your network. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LinkedIn marketing journey.